Hello my friends, hello YouTube. What I'm doing here is looking at my peas, and they're coming up quite nicely. This is my huglekultur raised bed, and I usually have it mulched, keep it mulched over the winter. I like to keep mulch on it, protect the soil from the sun, and add nutrients to the soil, feed the worms, which work the soil, and yeah, it's a great thing to have some mulch. But you gotta be careful what kind of mulch it is, as some mulches do. Most mulches, if they're thick and the right materials, provide a great habitat for slugs. And right here I have spinach, which I don't want eaten by slugs. But also, if I can find maybe some cracks in the soil, you can see the sun on the unmulched soil is drying it out really quick. It's going to rain today. It's been raining every other day, or maybe even every day, like short time period, you know, a little bit of rain every day, but at least every other day for the last week. And the sun still dries out the soil and does damage to all the organisms and stuff. But as you can see here, you got all kinds of weeds coming up and stuff. So I want to scratch up the surface a bit with whatever this tool is called there. Got little fingers on it and such. So scratch, you know, into the weeds up a bit, and then I'm gonna put mulch over it. But I'm gonna show you a little trick how to make some easy mulch. It's not gonna be the best habitat for pests like slugs, but it'll cover the soil and yeah, hopefully keep in some of the moisture I'm losing from the sun, and reduce the amount of water I have to put in it. So I'm just going to come over here real quick. What I've already started. Well, what I did is just took some leaves, grass, clippings. I've been drying out in a pile over there for a while. And then I ran over it with the lawnmower again. These are all picked up by the big lawnmower. And I just take the little handy lawnmower. Nice little electric lawnmower, and I know it's not like an endorsement or something, it's just what I use. It is very handy though, electric lawnmower. So I just laid out a strip of leaves, ran over it with the lawnmower, and well, you can see that there, how the light is, and I just made it into a much finer mulch. So what I'm going to do is take that over here. Take it right here. Alright, there's some peas. They can be mulched. So what I'm just going to do, put the mulch in like that. I don't want it too thick on there. Just work it in around the peas. Not so great with my left hand. So yeah, just like that. But if you run over it with the lawnmower, you can get it to whatever size you like. It's pretty fine, little bits. This is good for the worms. Breaks it up a little bit for the worms to eat. It's not so big that the slugs can hide in amongst it as easily. They like the big full-size leaves and get under there all day. This makes it a little easier for predators to come by, and these beds are full of spiders, and so I'm not too worried about anything. Slugs, maybe with the spinach, but I haven't noticed any those little beetles that eat my beets and radishes, flea beetles. I haven't noticed any of them down here. And I also found a bunch of ladybugs in their larval stage or pupae stage or whatever it is, when they look like, I don't know what they look like, little creepy crawly things. They don't look like ladybugs. I didn't know what they were. I saw a video, but if I could find some, I'd show them to you guys. But yeah, just like that. That's all there is to it. It's a great mulch. There's a little bit of grass in there and some leaves. And yeah, if I'm not fine enough, just run over to dump it back out on the ground and run over it with the lawnmower. But yeah, it took me like, I don't know, a minute to make a big long line. And I load up half of it. And I got half a bag of great mulch. I'm going to finish filling in this bed. Filling all the exposed surfaces, and yeah, feed the worms and save myself some few minutes in watering and save myself some water. But yeah, that's all there is to it. I highly recommend mulching your beds. Worms love it, plants like it, and yeah, it protects the soil from the sun. This bed has been rained on already today, and soil's cracking. So mulch your soil. Have a great day wherever you are and whenever you watch this, and I'll talk to you later, my friends.